Hey everyone, in today's video we'll see how to get super chats and super stickers enabled for your YouTube videos. Also do check out the YouTube launch playbook which is written with pure intent to help YouTube beginners know all the tips and tricks with screenshots and step-by-step guide to set up and launch your channel the right way and also grow it in a way that is very organic. The link is in the video description. Now first things first, to get enabled for super chats and super stickers, you have to cross the first leg of eligibility for YouTube monetization. That is, you have to get 500 subscribers and 3000 watch hours completed. Once you do that, you get eligible for supers, shopping, and channel memberships. So you can see under supers, you get eligible for super chat, super stickers, and super thanks, which can help you engage with your community and feel supported, right? So this is the first criteria you have to remember. Now this channel of mine is yet to be monetized. My other channel is eligible for super chats, and you can see when I go to clear earn, it gives me options for enabling all of this, right? So that is the main criteria to get enabled for super stickers and super chat, and also gifts and super thanks. Another important point is super chat and super stickers only work for live videos and live streams. These don't work for normal YouTube long videos or YouTube shorts which you post on your channel. It will only work for viewers on any live videos or streaming you do on your channel. That's the second part. The third important part is it does not work for private videos, unlisted videos, for it to be for it to appear for your viewers. So this is the simplest way to get eligible for super chats and super stickers. If you have any queries, do drop in the comment section and do subscribe to channel YouTube with Saave.